Hello everyone. Today I'm doing solo hiking at Mailbox Peak trail. This is rated as one of the difficult because of the steep. It's about 4,000 feet elevation gain, and I'm gonna try a new trail which is almost 11 miles round trip up and down. And there's an old trail too, which is only 4.5 miles, but it is very steep and it's not well maintained. There's a chance of getting lost, so I'm gonna relax, enjoy my time, not gonna rush through the times for this hiking. So I'm taking a new trail and enjoy the scenery along with it.
So it took me 2 hours and 15 minutes to reach the top. It was 5.43 miles from starting point to the top. I stayed up there probably for about 45 minutes. There were like probably 15 people up there when I left. I would consider that a little crowdy for the weekdays. Imagine how crowdy it would get during the weekends. It took me 1 hour and 46 minutes to come down. It was worth it. It was a little cloudy, I couldn't see Mount Rainier, but I was able to see rattlesnake and Mount Sai. it was beautiful. All right, I hope you enjoy my video. Please do subscribe and like, and have a good one.